If you're new to Canada, winter driving can feel, honestly, a little terrifying. Snow, ice, freezing temperatures, slippery roads. It's nothing like most countries newcomers come from. So today, I'll walk you through how to drive safely in a Canadian winter for the very first time and the essential car checklist you must follow before the season starts. Let's make sure your first winter on the road is safe, smooth, and stress-free. Part 1. How to drive in Canadian winters. 1. Slow everything down. Winter driving is all about control. Accelerate slowly, turn slowly, and brake slowly. If you drive the way you normally do in summer, you will slip. 2. Increase your following distance. In winter, your brakes don't stop instantly, even with ABS. Instead of the usual 2 seconds behind the car in front of you, make it 5 to 6 seconds. Give yourself space. 3. Avoid sudden braking. On snow or ice, slamming your brakes can make your car skid. If you feel the car sliding, ease off the gas, keep steering straight, and let the car regain traction. 4. Know what black ice is. It looks like regular pavement, but it's actually a thin layer of ice. You'll find it on bridges, shaded areas, and early mornings. If the road looks shiny, slow down. 5. Use your headlights, even during the day. Winter days are darker. Snow reduces visibility. Headlights help others see you, not just the other way around. 6. Clear all the snow from your car. Not just the windshield, the roof, hood, lights, windows, mirrors. Flying snow from your roof can cause accidents behind you, and you can be fined for it. Part 2. The essential winter car checklist. Before winter starts, make sure your car is fully winter ready. Here's the absolute must-do list. 1. Winter tires. All seasons are not enough for Canadian winters. Winter tires give better grip, shorter braking distance, and more control. If you drive on snow regularly, these are mandatory for safety. 2. Check your battery. Cold weather weakens old batteries. If your battery is 3 to 5 years old, test it before winter. 3. Top up washer fluid. Winter formula. Your regular fluid will freeze. Use winter-rated fluid that works up to 40 degrees Celsius. 4. Replace old wiper blades. You need maximum visibility in snow. Winter wipers make a huge difference. 5. Keep tire pressure in check. Cold air drops tire pressure. Low pressure, bad grip. Check it every 2 weeks. 6. Pack a winter emergency kit. Include blanket, gloves, booster cables, ice scraper, small shovel, phone charger, flashlight. 7. Check your lights. Snow builds up fast. Clean your headlights and taillights before every drive. 8. Keep at least half a tank of gas. If you get stuck in traffic during a snowstorm, you'll want to keep the heat running. Winter driving in Canada doesn't have to be scary. As long as you understand the conditions, slow down, and prepare your car properly. If you're a newcomer, take your time to learn. Practice, stay calm, and follow these steps. And if you want more driving tips, lessons, or winter training, you know where to find us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.
We will make it easy for you.
ultimatedrivers.ca